Thank you for joining me about this exciting new product, the Teresa Collins eBosser by Craftwell. I'm Teresa Collins, and I'm thrilled to invite you to join me in taking a closer look at this innovative product. The Teresa Collins eBosser is an automatic embosser and die cutter. For those of you new to this technology, don't worry. The eBosser is very easy to use, and I will be with you every step of the way. In no time at all, you will be creating gorgeous textures on invitations or cutting intricate doilies in 15 seconds without the labor. Let's get started. The Teresa Collins eBosser comes ready to use. Included with the eBosser is a uniform platform set, as you can see here. This is your ticket to freedom. The universal platform set makes it possible to use almost any brand of embossing folders or cutting dies available on the market. The magnetic shim is an added perk included with your universal platform set. When using thin metal dies, position them on the shim as desired. The magnetic surface prevents the dies from shifting during cutting, guaranteeing a clean edge and precise cut you need. Also included in the box is a rubber embossing mat. For those of you who use metal texture plates or have thin metal dies that can be embossed, this rubber embossing mat will be your new best friend. It even gets better. The Teresa Collins eBosser machine comes with 2 exclusive Teresa Collins embossing folders. These 2 universal size folders fit both letter and A4 size material. This machine is a must-have for any crafter or quilter. First things first, the eBosser is fully automatic. What does that mean for you? No more hand cranking. Save your energy for the enjoyable things in life, like crafting. In under 15 seconds, the eBosser has done all of the work. The motor automatically powers off and the material remains waiting in the back of the machine until you're ready to remove it. The quality of the embossing is crisp, clean, and even. Another advantage of the fully automatic eBosser. Not only is the quality of the finished product notable, but the machine itself is industrial strength and comprised of all metal internal parts. This product is built to outlast the toughest of projects. Don't let the heavy-duty parts scare you. The eBosser has a built-in safety feature. As you see, placing my hand inside the machine is entirely safe. The motor will not engage, making the eBosser ideal for all ages. Not only is it safe, but it is foolproof. The eBosser has smart chip technology, a unique design that prevents damage to your machine. Never worry about inserting the wrong combination platform. The eBosser automatically ejects a combination of platforms that could jam or damage your machine. The Teresa Collins folders are not your typical embossing folders. These folders are unique, offering embossing in 2 sizes, letter or universal. As you can see here, letter size folders fit a standard 8.5 by 11 inch letter size material. The universal size folders offer a little more versatility with 8.5 by 12 inch size, fitting both letter and A4 size materials. The best thing about my embossing folders is the things that you're going to be able to create. I simply love that I can take my pattern paper and run it through with the clock embossing folder, and the impression that you get. It's subtle, but it is stunning. I also am a damask girl. I love anything that has that sophisticated look for it. Now you could create something like a card or wedding invitations. I think invitations, announcements, those kind of things are going to wow everyone who sees those. The last thing I wanted to show you in the project, actually there's 2 that I really love. I love the starburst here because it's so subtle, but it's really nice, and you don't even have to ink it to have that impression. And I'm going to sneak in one last more. This is the honeycomb one, and what I really love about the honeycomb is if you take your ink pad and lightly put a little bit of ink on it, wow, does that pattern just pop out. As you can see, the quality of both the eBosser and the Teresa Collins embossing folder is impressive. This is a necessity for all crafters, beginner to advanced. I am sure you now understand my excitement over this new line. Thank you for joining me today as we craft and create with this innovative approach to embossing and die cutting. Be sure to stay updated on new releases by visiting craftwellusa.com. Now get crafting.